we are Akanksha and Michelle from Go-Keto, and today we are going to bakery pizza.
And we are using the keto bread mix. This is farmers bread.
So, we have to add 400 milliliters of warm water. Well,
Yeah.
let's do that. Let's put it in here. Yes. Can you?
We have warm water,
Ye-
400 ml.
I think I'll just do it slowly.
Yeah.
Well, I'm really into pizza, and since I'm also on the keto diet, I really need a good low carb pizza. So I'm so curious about how this is going to be. All right, your turn.
Thank you. Let me try. Yes, please. Here we go.
I'm going to cut the peppers. Oh,
Yeah.
we have to cut the onions.
Yeah.
And I can do the garlic.
Thank you.
Great, teamwork.
Yeah.
Love teamwork.
And we are gonna add some salt. Then we add some Italian herbs, and I mix it. So Michelle, does it also mention that we need to rest this bread for some time?
Yeah,
Okay.
for like 5 minutes, they said.
5 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Okay.
This looks ready.
So now the dough has rested for 5 minutes,
Yeah.
and we are going to shape it into a pizza dough. Oh,
Yeah. So now Michelle is busy.
I think I'll use baking paper.
Yeah.
It's better.
That's a good idea.
Okay, now you need to be a little bit strong.
This looks much better, I guess.
Yeah, somebody already take a little bite of it. See?
We're experimenting after all.
All right,
So this
let's
goes
just
on
put it in the oven for like, I guess 50 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow,
Oh.
this looks ready.
Oh, I think so. Let's
Yeah.
try it.
Yes.
It's still hot though. But
Yeah.
oh wow, this is actually very crusty. I think this will work.
That's awesome.
Well, let's start with the tomato sauce.
Yeah.
I think we should start with the
Zucchini? Okay,
zucchini. Then maybe you can do the
Yeah.
pepper.
Pepper. So we have the red peppers.
Well, don't forget about the onions.
Oh yeah. So what is your favorite topping on a pizza?
Oh, cheese. Can't live without cheese.
Same with me.
And
I love cheese.
and garlic, of
And
course.
garlic, yeah.
We should put some mushrooms.
Yes, please. Okay. And some parsley as well now.
I think yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
This must be enough.
Like a little sprinkle of some parsley. And we have garlic as well, right?
Of course, we have garlic. Okay. Okay.
So you use a crusher to crush the garlic. Wow.
Be careful.
Nice, yeah, be careful.
What is pizza without cheese?
Exactly. And we are using the healthy cheese here. So it's,
Yeah.
yeah, good.
Okay. And now I think we should put some extra Italian herbs
Yeah, sure.
and some chili.
Shall I put something?
Yeah.
So here it goes. The Italian herbs to season it with.
Okay. Pepper.
Do we also put some black pepper?
I like the cheese. You like the pepper.
Yeah. We are a good combination.
Is that enough?
I think so, yeah.
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 For sure.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. I think we.
Salt as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I think this is it.
This is it, yeah.
Then we are going to put it in the oven for, let's say, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes, 30 minutes, 190 degrees. Well, let's put it in the oven then.
Yeah.
I think it's ready now.
It's ready, yes. Wow. Oh, it cuts nice as well. This is yum. Absolutely delicious.
I would say
Well done.
well done.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more keto-friendly recipes, and please follow us.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.